In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove duplicate files in Dropbox using a simple sort by size trick on the web version. This method is quick, visual, and doesn't require any extra software, so it's perfect if you just want to clean things up directly in your browser. First, make sure you're signed into your Dropbox account on the website. Once you're in, look for the section called All Files. This is where you can see every file and folder stored in your account. It's the best place to work from when you're hunting down duplicates because it gives you a complete overview rather than limiting you to one folder at a time. With your files visible, take a look at the top of the file list where you see the column headers such as name and maybe modified. This is where we're going to add the size column if it isn't already displayed. Move your mouse over those column headers and hover for a moment. You should see an option or a small arrow that lets you customize which columns are shown. Click that arrow, and from the list of available columns, make sure size is selected. Once you turn it on, a new size column will appear for each file. Now that you can see file sizes, click directly on the size column header. When you click it, Dropbox will sort your files based on their size. You may need to click it again to toggle between smallest to largest and largest to smallest. For finding duplicates, sorting from largest to smallest usually works best because it brings the biggest files to the top, and that's often where you'll get the most space back when you clean them up. As you scan down the list, pay close attention to files that have either the exact same name or very similar names such as photo and photo1.jpg or report and report1.pdf. The key detail to look for is the size. True duplicates almost always match exactly in size down to the last byte. When you see two files with the same or nearly identical name and the exact same size, that's a strong indicator that you're looking at a duplicate. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to think about where the file is stored and whether you might need it in more than one folder. If you're unsure, you can click on the file to preview it and make sure it really is the same document or photo. This quick check can help you avoid removing a file that's slightly different but has a similar name. Once you've confirmed that a file is indeed a duplicate you don't need, move your mouse over that duplicate file in the list. You'll see an icon with three dots appear next to it. Click those three dots to open the options menu for that file. In this menu, look for the delete option and click it. Dropbox will remove that duplicate from your file list. Repeat the same process for any other duplicates you find. Check the name and size, confirm it's unnecessary, click the three dots and choose delete. By working through your files this way, especially starting with the largest ones, you can quickly free up valuable space in your Dropbox while staying in control of exactly what gets removed.